Question number 4. Question number 4 là here y equals to sec of tan of root x. Hiện ra sec x thì x tức là function khác, tan root x function khác, và tức là root x function khác. Là differentiate both sides with respect to x. So let dy by dx equals to d by dx of sec of tan of root x. Abanam, differentiation of sec x. Differentiation of sec x to sec of sec tan x ding. Alilai x pa ko tan root x hi za, so x kala ko tan root x na ko ide. Abana tan x dia x kala ko tan root x mama hung umke de. Sec x tan x. Ale x kala ko tan root x hi za to sec tan root x tan root x sa hum khade. Bana d by dx of tan root x ang ho another function kan hi za to differentiate na bo bia le tan root x sit down ke ding. Bana sec of tan root x tan root x. Bana d by dx of tan root x to ay lawa hele jalai tan x pa ko root x sa hi pana to differentiation of tan x to sec square x dia la x kela ko root x umde. Bana root x ang ko kawai to differentiate na bol dem. Hicha vela differentiation ke bol hi chain rule tina o chain rule ke mang. Ngela sec of tan of root x tan root x into sec square root x ding. Let differentiation of root x formula to 1 by 2 root x. Siyong hide. The answer is to hite. Question number 5. Y equals to sine of ax plus b cos of cx plus d. It's u by v. Lawa le quotient rule formula mande. Differentiate both sides with respect to x. Dy by dx ding. Bana d by dx of sine ax plus b divided by cos cx plus d. Le quotient rule to piham tala d by dx u by v to v square v d by dx of u minus u d by dx of v. So hong heading. Le to atulai ding hi u to hi v. Le v square to cos of cx plus d whole square. As it tulaya formula as on v square na le. V square ha le chun cos cx plus d ko square a hung chi de. Abana cos cx plus d d by dx of sine of ax plus b minus sine of ax plus b d by dx of cos of cx plus d. Formula chidung zu ya ki bol so Abana cos of cx plus d. Differentiation of sin x. G ax plus b ko x ana sima hela chun sin x formula to cos x de. Ahile sin la x x to bi ham ta le ax plus b hi za to cos ax plus b amde. Ahile avela like d by dx of ax plus b khabai to na bol bedding minus sine of ax plus b zauting let's like ako differentiation of cos x to minus sine cx plus d ding zauting le d by dx of cx plus d differentiation of cx plus d na bol de divided by cos of cx plus d whole square. So ting le cos of cx plus d into cos of ax plus b into sila differentiation na la ating ala chun sila hin x a hin x bo anay za ato a bo umding b ko x variable na lo za differentiation of constant to 0 asale answer to a minus plus sine of ax plus b so ting le sine of cx plus d into differentiation of cx plus d cha c hin x variable anei achta le c ding d khun x anei lo phana chu constant anala de ale differentiation of constant chu 0 asale la chu d pa khum ta lo de na divided by cos of cx plus d whole square to chu chlai ka pa hi chlai to chlai ten ani nan khana hi la chun a cos of cx plus d into cos of ax plus b abana divided by cos cx plus d whole square plus c into sine of ax plus b into sine of cx plus d divided by cos of cx plus d whole square hi let's like cos square ya la chu lai ni tina ni a thaya hi la chun chlai cos khat to chlai khat ve na cancel thai dia a chu ti dinga hi la chun chlai a cos le cos ding ai wa angle hon ke bang lo chlai ax plus b chlai cx plus d a chu tia la chun a into cos of ax plus b into 1 by cos of cx plus d plus let's like khat changkat cancel thai ding lo azi chulaya khani sin ax plus b hiding bana angle hon jong khat chang ke banglo chula hi la cx plus d khat hung ke bang hun ta chala c hiding sin ax plus b into chala square akitya le ni na chala khani 1 by cos of cx plus d into ala cx plus d cx plus d sin by cos nan kwai thai ding cx plus d divided by cos of cx plus d ale a into cos ding ax plus b into 1 by cos x 1 by cos x formula chu sec x ahile chalai cos x value chu cx plus d that's cx plus d heading plus c into sin ax plus b into let's add on here 1 by cos x de 1 by cos x formula to sec x x to cx plus d de into so that angle on cx plus d cx plus d ake ba za chu sin x by cos x sin x by cos x to 10 hin 10 alaya x value to cx plus d at tia chun question number 5 answer chan chu hite question number 6 y equals to cos x cube sine square x power 5 hicha hi vala chun cos x cube sine square x power 5 chai function ni mo into ke bol na adang hwa hu suppose banga chu question number 4 a chu sec 10 of root exam chu na le chalai sec pa hin angle anei la ama angle chu pi han da la chun 10 pa hi jing chu ele chi hi function ni ang ke gom khom ai la wa sec hin angle nei la wa 10 pa hi another function chu angle ala ara chun hi chu ting la hin chain rule na man de ai la chalai vekit la chun cos in angle anei x cube na sin square jo hin value l le angle anei x power 5 hi chi function ni into ke mai ke bol sting la hin product rule na man de hi cha hi second angle nei lo chom ama angle chu another function man chu 10 root x man chu ja chu ta bang wa product rule na man thai lo ding chain rule zo na man de le chai question number 6 a hi product rule na man na ding a chu differentiate with respect to x ele dy by dx equals to d by dx of cos x cube sine square x power 5 ele chi u chi v product rule formula to be u d by dx of v plus v d by dx of u achutele u to cos x cube hide abana v d by dx of sine square x power 5 abana plus v to sine square x power 5 hiding bana d by dx of u value to cos of x cube ahile cos x cube hiding silai bata che sine square x to piha ay lawa hele differentiation of x square to 2x de cha hele achta banga chu 2 heading sine x power 5 ide leta ko square za lawa sine pa ho differentiate nan bol kit na hele d by dx of sine x power 5 heading bana plus sine square x power 5 chahe d by dx of x power cube. Yeah, x power cube heading ala chun cha here differentiation of cos x2 minus sine x cube heading x cube ko change rule naman ding x cube tanan bol de ahile cos x cube into 2 sine x power 5 heading ala differentiation of sine x2 cos x power 5 ala x power 5 ko khavai to change rule naman ding d by dx of x power 5 ide ala minus plus minus sine square x power 5 into sine x cube heading d by dx of x cube to 3x square differentiation formula naman do so like here abana to 2 sine arrange ball paute into cos x cube into cos x power 5 differentiation of x power 5 to 4x 4 yeah 5x4 heading minus 3x squared sine square x power 5 into sine x cube. Wala, question number 6 answer hi chan chu hite